These are the cars known for almost never breaking down. The cars people buy once and drive for decades without stress, backed by proven long-term durability and real ownership results. Number 10. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot enters this list because its long-term durability continues to outperform many larger SUVs. The engine design focuses on stability and smooth running for years. The power delivery stays consistent even after high mileage, and the overall structure handles daily use without showing early wear. This SUV is known for running clean for decades with only basic care. Families use it for long trips and heavy loads and still manage to keep it on the road for very long periods. The transmission has strong reliability records, and the suspension setup stays solid over time. There is no unnecessary complexity, which keeps maintenance simple and affordable. Many owners report extremely long ownership spans with no major breakdowns, making it a trustworthy choice for anyone who needs a long-lasting larger SUV that stays dependable through rough conditions. This makes the Pilot a strong contender for buyers who want long performance without any surprises. Number 9. Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 earns this rank due to its proven long-term stability. The new engine technology focuses on clean operation, which reduces wear. The transmission setup remains smooth even after extensive mileage, and the overall build quality keeps everything tight and reliable through years of daily use. Owners appreciate how rarely it requires major work, and fleets show excellent long-running data with very low failure rates. The structure stays firm, giving the car a long lifespan even under constant driving. The suspension components hold up well, and the steering system maintains accuracy, which helps prevent long-term mechanical stress. This model is known for giving drivers decade-long dependability without rising repair costs, making it one of the safest choices for anyone searching for compact reliability that lasts far beyond normal expectations. Number 8. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester reaches this position because its long-running all-wheel drive system is engineered for stability in every condition. The engine design focuses on balanced performance, which helps reduce strain during long usage, and the chassis remains steady even after years of rough roads. The cooling system stays efficient, which prevents heat-related wear, and the interior hardware holds up strongly over long ownership. Real-world data shows extremely low rates of sudden failures, and the drivetrain maintains consistent output across high mileage. The Forester's structure absorbs stress evenly, which helps the vehicle last beyond normal expectations, making it a long-term choice for drivers who need dependable performance in all seasons without dealing with surprise repairs. Number 7. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 earns this ranking because its new technology engine system is built for efficient long operation. The internal components maintain clean movement, which reduces friction over time, and the transmission is known for smooth ongoing performance even after extended mileage. The body structure keeps everything tightly aligned, which protects mechanical parts from unnecessary vibration. The suspension balance stays strong through heavy driving, which helps slow down wear. And owner data shows consistently low repair frequency across multiple years. The CX-5 maintains reliability while delivering steady performance with very few long-term issues, making it one of the strongest options for anyone searching for a compact SUV built to remain dependable for decades without unexpected breakdowns. Number 6. Honda Civic. The Honda Civic holds this position because its engineering focuses on steady long-term operation with minimum stress on internal parts. The engine layout is simple and proven, which helps it stay stable even after extremely high mileage. And the transmission design keeps power delivery smooth without creating unnecessary strain. The Civic's lightweight structure reduces wear on brakes and suspension, which extends the lifespan of key components. The cooling system keeps temperatures controlled during long drives, which protects the engine over the years. Owners consistently report very low major repair needs even after long ownership, and the electrical systems stay reliable with minimal faults. The Civic also handles daily driving without letting small issues turn into big problems, making it a dependable option for anyone wanting a compact car that stays strong year after year without costly breakdowns. Number 5. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord earns this rank because its powertrain is built for long-running durability without depending on complex systems that create extra maintenance. The engine has strong internal reinforcement, which keeps performance steady even as mileage climbs. And the transmission has a long history of lasting beyond normal expectations when maintained correctly. The Accord's larger frame helps distribute stress evenly across the vehicle, which protects the suspension and steering components over decades. The braking system remains effective with slow wear patterns, which lowers long-term costs. And the interior materials last long, which keeps the vehicle comfortable even after years of heavy use. Owner records show extremely consistent reliability with almost no unexpected failures, making the Accord a strong long-term sedan built to keep running smoothly for decades without creating reliability worries. Number 4. Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius reaches this level because its hybrid system is designed to work under low stress for extremely long periods. The engine and electric motor share the workload, which keeps both systems running smoothly without creating heavy wear. The battery setup stays cool during long traffic hours, which protects it from early degradation. And the power management system balances energy use in a way that prevents strain on internal parts. The transmission uses a simple gearless design that almost never suffers major failures, which helps the Prius stay stable even after very high mileage. The lightweight structure reduces pressure on suspension components, which keeps them lasting for many years. The cooling system maintains steady temperatures in both the engine and hybrid electronics, which limits heat damage over time. And owners consistently see this model running far longer than expected with minimal large-scale repairs. The Prius remains one of the safest long-term choices for drivers who want extremely low breakdown risk, combined with strong daily efficiency that continues for decades. Number 3. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX moves into this spot because its build quality focuses on long-duration durability with materials that are designed to resist wear even under constant driving. The engine layout uses reinforced internal components that stay smooth and balanced through very high mileage. And the transmission system is tuned for gentle shifts, which protect the internal gears over long ownership cycles. The frame is engineered to distribute weight evenly, which reduces stress on suspension arms and bushings. And the cabin electronics are built with higher-grade parts that rarely fail even after years of heat exposure. The cooling system keeps temperatures steady during heavy driving, which protects the engine from long-term heat damage. And the braking components wear slowly due to the stable weight balance of the vehicle. Owners consistently report the RX running with the same calm reliability even after decade-long use. And the overall construction of this model shows why it is known worldwide for multi-decade dependability that requires very few major repairs and continues delivering strong daily performance. Number 2. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is recognized for its exceptional long-term durability because the engine uses a balanced design that reduces vibration and internal wear. The transmission is engineered to handle both city and highway driving for hundreds of thousands of kilometers without major issues. The suspension geometry is tuned to evenly spread out stress, which prevents early sagging or component failure. And the brake system benefits from a design that reduces uneven wear even after extensive use. The cooling system is highly efficient, which keeps the engine at stable temperatures for decades of continuous driving. The fuel system and intake are built to avoid clogging and premature failure even when maintenance is minimal. The electrical system uses high-quality connectors and wiring, which rarely leads to faults. And the interior materials are chosen to resist cracking, fading, and mechanical fatigue. Owner data and long-term tests consistently show that Camrys maintain strong engine performance, smooth shifting, and stable handling after more than 300,000 kilometers. Many examples run for decades with only basic maintenance such as oil changes, brake pads, and timing belt or chain checks. And this model is one of the rare sedans where reliability is proven across generations, with extremely low rates of unexpected repairs, making it one of the best choices for anyone seeking a vehicle that will last for decades while maintaining consistent performance under every type of daily condition. Number 1. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla tops this list because it combines decades of proven engineering with remarkably simple and durable systems that survive extreme mileage and age without breaking down. The engine is built with high-tolerance internal components which minimizes friction, and wear even when used heavily for years. The transmission is lightweight but robust, providing consistent smooth shifting over hundreds of thousands of kilometers without major repair. The suspension is compact and strong, which reduces stress on joints and bushings, while maintaining road stability even after decades of uneven surfaces. The braking system is efficient and slow to wear due to optimized weight distribution and component design. The cooling system keeps engine temperature steady under long drives and hot climates, which extends the span of critical parts. And the electrical system is straightforward, avoiding complexity that often leads to failures in other models. Owner records show many Corollas exceeding 400,000 kilometers with minimal major repairs and very low maintenance costs. The overall body structure resists rust, which allows even older models to remain roadworthy and reliable. And the Corolla continues to be one of the most recommended vehicles for anyone seeking dependability, extremely low repair frequency, and a car that can last for decades while handling daily driving, heavy traffic, and long highway use without ever compromising performance or reliability.